The Province of Oulu was a province of Finland from 1775 to 2009. It bordered the provinces of Lapland, Western Finland and Eastern Finland, and also the Gulf of Bothnia and Russia. History. For history, geography and culture, see Ostrobothnia. The province of Oulu was established in 1775 when Finland was an integrated part of Sweden from the northern part of Ostrobothnia County. The new province was named after its administrative seat of Oulu. As a consequence of the tumultuous conflicts of the Napoleonic Wars, Sweden had allied itself with the Russian Empire, United Kingdom and the other parties of the Fourth Coalition against Napoleonic France. However, following the Treaty of Tilsit in 1807, Russia made peace with France and left the coalition. This enabled Russia in 1808 to challenge Sweden in the Finnish War over the control of Finland. In the Treaty of Fredriksham on 17 September 1809, Sweden was obliged to cede all its territory in Finland to Russia. The ceded territories became a part of the Russian Empire and were reconstituted into the Grand Duchy of Finland, with the Russian Tsar as Grand Duke. The province of Oulu was expanded in 1809 with the parts of the vast Bothnia county. After Finland became independent from Russia in 1917, there were no changes in Oulu Province until 1938, when the northern part was split off and established as the Lapland Province. All the provinces of Finland were abolished on 1 January 2010. Administration. The state provincial office was a joint regional authority of 7 different ministries. It promoted national and regional objectives of the state's central administration. Regions. The province of Oulu was divided into 2 regions, Northern Ostrobothnia, Kainuu, municipalities in 2009. Former municipalities. Governors. Carl Magnus Jägerhorn 1775–1782. Adolf Tandefelt 1782–1785. Johann Fredrik Karpeland 1785–1800. Samuel A. F. Fossels 1800–1802. Adolf Edelswyd 1802–1804. Jacob Daniel Longe 1805–1808. Carl Henrik Ehrenstolpe 1809–1820. Samuel Frederick von Born 1820–1826. Johann Abraham Stjarchens 1826–1834. Robert Wilhelm Lagerborg 1834–1849. Alexander Livornius 1849–1862. George von Althen 1862–1873. Otto Nyberg 1873–1879. Carl Johann Jägerhorn 1878–1883. Carl Adolf Daimlander 1883–1884. Johann Gabriel Matlin 1884–1886. Johann Axel Greipenberg 1886–1889. Anders Johann Malmgren 1889–1897. Gustav S.S. Fellman 1897–1901. Edward Furr Hjelm 1901–1903. Otto Savander 1903–1905. Guido Gadelin 1905–1911. Hjalmar Langenkowski 1911–1915. Axel Fabian AFN Hjelm 1915–1917. Mats von Nandelstad 1917–1925. Eero Pekkanen 1925–1948. Karl Marta 1949–1967. Niilo Raita 1967–1973. Erkki Haukapuro 1973–1986. Arti Pekkalin 1986–1991.